Welcome to the Google Workspace for Beginners series. In our previous lesson, we learned how to free up extra storage space using our Google Drive on your phone. Today, I'll show you how to use version history to see previous changes and restore an older version of a file. Let me show you. If you missed our previous lesson, ensure that you watch it. We talked about getting free extra storage for your Google Drive, okay? Now, before we continue, let me highlight one important correction right here. The version history which is this version history that you see, restore file versions that you see right here, is a primarily feature of Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Slide. For ordinary uploaded files such as PDF, Word documents, or images, Google Drive has a different feature version, which is this one that you are seeing right here. But for the case of this lesson, I will demonstrate what I want to show us with a Google spreadsheet file to keep the tutorial accurate and easy for the beginners, okay? So watch carefully and follow the same step. So open the folder. For me, I'll be using this file, which is a Google spreadsheet file. So I'll open with Google Doc, okay? Google spreadsheet, just like this. Now once it opens, it's very simple. Very, very simple. You locate the file feature at the top left corner right here. Click on it. Once you do, scroll down and go to version history. Click on see version history. Once you do that, it will now bring out the earlier version of your work within the file, okay? So it will bring out the previous version of your progress with that file. So let's say, for example, you make a mistake and then you want to undo that mistake. So you can just click on, let's say, now if I click on August, this is because I haven't made any changes to this file. So that's why it's showing no changes to this sheet in this revision. So, but on July, I made some changes to it. So that's why we are seeing it like this. Now, if I click on this July and hop and click on this restore this version, what will now happen is that it will now return this version to the current one that I have, and of which I don't want that. So I'm just showing this to us, so that just in case you make a mistake and then you want the previous version of your work, okay, it will now bring it back for you at the side right corner right here. Now in your own case you might have more, but in this case I have just few ones, okay? So this is the final lesson for the Google Drive series, but there's more to come during our Google Workspace content coming next week. So stick around, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.